Welcome to the video. This is Jonathan Belcher making this video because I was just thinking about the last 10 minutes. I was just thinking about people and I was observing just my area. I was outside, I was getting some red mango, and I was just sitting in the car just watching the neighborhood, watching the people come in, walk out of stores and stuff like that. And I was just thinking about the power in words, how powerful words are. You know, words cast spells. That's why it's called spelling. Before we go into the topic at hand today, we're going to do our daily affirmation. I am rich. I am financially free. I am financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am loved. I am rich. I am financially free. I am financially prosperous. Money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am loved. And it's so funny, we're talking about words in this video, and I just gave you a little affirmation you could use, and those are some powerful words you can say to yourself every day. When you wake up in the morning, you say that powerfully, you say that with belief and authority. You'll be surprised how much amazing things start happening for you as your subconscious mind starts to change. But words are so powerful, and they either bring you success or they can manifest failure for you. And you say, John, how the hell, what's so crazy about words? There's so many people going through life and they're claiming the worst things upon themselves. Even when they talk about their health, they'll say things like, I don't feel good, I'm sick, you know, I'm hurt, I'm in pain. That might be the reality of the circumstance, but you don't claim that over yourself. You don't claim sickness over yourself. You don't claim brokenness over yourself. You don't claim defeat over yourself. You don't claim weakness over yourself. And it's not that you're being fake. The reality of your situation may be a situation that you may not like. We all deal with that in life, right? We all have our struggles. We all have our fights in somewhere we're trying to be. We're trying to raise up to. Even myself. But you got to be careful of your words. One thing that I'm very careful of is what I say. Excuse me. Because I have this power sometimes. I could say something and literally like in 20 minutes, it'll happen. Like it'll literally manifest within the same time period that I said something. And you got to realize that your words, since your mind, your thoughts are energetic. Your thoughts send out magnetic energy into the universe, into the world that you can't see. It's invisible. So when you're thinking something, there's a certain vibration being sent out, magnetic waves being sent out into the universe, whether you're thinking something positive or you're thinking something negative. So when you think something and then you say it, you're now affirming that to be true over yourself, whether good or bad. But my question is, why not say something and claim something prosperous over you, something positive over you, something that's going to make you more successful, that's going to motivate you to be better? Why not claim those things over yourself? And I get it. You know, we go through life. You might be in a very tough situation right now. You might have lost a job or bills are piling up. You losing friends, relationships. Things are just may seem real chaotic. But no matter how things may look, claim something different over yourself. Claim love over yourself. Claim joy over yourself. Claim happiness over yourself. Claim abundance over yourself. I don't care what your boss said. I don't care that you're fired and you haven't gotten a paycheck in a couple weeks and you got to borrow money from friends, but still keep claiming richness and abundance over yourself, because whatever you claim is manifesting. A lot of times we like to talk about music. And I think this is very important for us to touch on as well. I love music. You know, I make music myself. And I listen to a lot of artists. And there's a lot of artists I'm inspired by, and I like their music. I like the content. But sometimes I'm listening to an artist that's sharing their life story. They're sharing what they go through, their experiences. And sometimes you just hear all of this negative stuff on the record, you know, whether they're talking about killing or being shot or shooting, some violence. And then next thing you know, some of those artists actually end up dead or end up being killed and shot by violence because the music is energetic, and you keep saying something, you keep spelling those words, saying those words, it's manifesting something. It's bringing something back to you. You got to believe that. You gotta believe that negative words that you claim over yourself is bringing something back to you, and positive words that you're claiming over yourself is manifesting something. Good or bad. That's the thing about the universe. The universe gives you exactly what you claim over yourself. You can't hide from the universe. You can't hide from karmic reactions. You can't hide from manifesting what you're putting out there. So be very, very, very careful. If you don't feel good to this morning, don't claim that you're sick. Say, I feel good. I feel alive. I feel energetic. And go on with your day. Move how a person who's healthy would move. Claim health over yourself. Claim wealth over yourself. Claim prosperity over yourself. Claim abundance. Claim being a winner. Don't claim being defeated. Don't accept being defeated. Don't accept being down and out. That's not who you are. That's not who you are. Sometimes in life, because of things that happen to us, the outside experiences that we have, it causes us sometimes to look negatively at ourselves. But that's not the right way. Those are just circumstances outside of yourself. They don't really define you. They're just circumstances outside of yourself. And everybody goes through their phases and everybody makes mistakes because that's how we got to learn. But sometimes we make mistakes and then we give ourselves the loser stamp. And because we didn't do something right, or we didn't go to school, or we didn't get the good job. And you got to forgive yourself. You got to get to a point in life where you say, look, enough of that loser talk, enough of that sickness, disease talk. I'm about to start talking abundance. I'm going to start talking richness. I'm about to start talking wealth. I'm about to start talking success. I'm about to start talking living out my dreams. I'm about to start talking prosperity and happiness and joy. I'm going to start talking growing and elevating. That's what you should be talking about. I know the boss is stupid. I know you worked so much at that job, the boss that laid you off or made you quit that, whatever the case may be. But that doesn't define you. You're still a winner. You're still here to do great things. And you have to believe that in every step that you take, every move that you make, you got to believe that you're a winner. You got to believe that you're headed to do great things. And keep speaking it. Because it's the three-way to manifestation, right? It's thoughts, it's words, and it's action. Thoughts, words, and action. And I'm going to give you a little secret in there. Somewhere in there, there's a very important but subtle one. Feeling. Feeling. If I say I'm rich, I'm powerful, I'm loved, I got to feel that already. I got to feel like I'm rich already. You got to feel it already. Feel that you're rich already, even if the bank account is telling you a whole different story. Even if the bank account is saying one thing that you may not be proud of. I want you to know that it doesn't define who you are. It does not define your future. It does not define how brilliant you are. It does not define your true worth. You know what I'm saying? So I challenge you to start being very keen and start to pay attention on the things you say. And also start to pay attention to not only the things you say, but what the people around you are saying. If you're around friends and they keep talking about negative things, they keep telling what you can't do, they keep saying what's not possible. They keep talking sickness. They keep talking brokenness. They keep talking poverty all the time. You're around these people and they keep just talking negative messages around you. Look, if you can't get away from them, start to read some books from people who think like you. Start to read some books from authors. Watch my videos, right? You can watch my videos. Just watch my videos. My videos will do it, actually. You don't got to read no books, honestly, because I'm going to hit so many different things over the course of my channel that people will be freed. Sorry about that. The video just got cut off because my phone ran out of space, but I'm just continue. So I'm working on this channel to liberate and free people, but you got to understand that your words literally cast spells. If you continue to say good things, what's more important about what other people outside of you, what other people are saying, what's more important is the words you're saying to yourself. That's the most important thing. Now, don't get me wrong. What people say about you may have an effect on you because you have feelings. You're a human being with emotions, just like all of us, right? But at the end of the day, the most important thing that should matter to you is how you're speaking to yourself. Forget what other people are saying about you. They're going to have a whole bunch of things to say. They're going to think a whole bunch of things. But you, how do you feel about you? You about to go to that job interview in the morning? Claim that you got the job already. Claim that it's already done, that you see yourself in a position. Feel yourself in a position. Claim that you're an achiever. Claim greatness over yourself. What's the difference? Whether or not you get the job or not, what's the difference? But I'm telling you right now, when you speak positive things over yourself, that's coming from a positive heart. That's coming from a positive mind, right? Because if your thoughts are positive, most likely your words are going to match that. And then the next thing comes action. And then once you start taking action, things start to manifest. But you don't go through life with your head down, talking about how depressed you are all the time. I understand, but you got to start claiming something different, because it gets to a point where you literally starts to feel okay in a sense of pity for yourself. And it starts to feel okay to be in that state of mind that's not doing you no justice. It's not doing you well. It's not helping you be successful. But when you claim something different, when you start to claim you're a winner, when you start to claim that you believe in yourself, when you start to claim that, look, I'm going to trust this process. I know I'm doing great things. No matter what my neighbor may think, no matter what my friends, my family may say, I know why I'm on the path that I'm on. That's all that really, really matters. I'm here to tell you, that's all that really, really matters. I'm so sick and tired of people not realizing the power in their words when they say something. Even when people talk, sometimes people talk about me and I say, nope, that's not what it is. It's this. The devil's a liar. That's your negative mindset. Project that on yourself. That ain't me. That's you. You deal with that. You get what I'm saying? You got to have that ability to know that even what people are saying about you, you rebuke that. Some negative, they saying something negative, you rebuke that. Say, nah, this is how it is. That's for your situation. That's your reality? All right, cool. Your reality is going to be true for you. I'm claiming something different for me. Does that make me wrong? Does that make you wrong for wanting to claim something good over yourself? Something positive? No, that don't make you wrong. That actually makes you a person that people should look up to. People should want to be around in business and jobs. But your future doesn't have to look like your past if you don't want it to. And I understand you've been through some things. People have let you down. People you trusted hung you out to dry. People you never believe. I understand that. I understand you've been through some things. And you probably have felt like you lost hope. But you can't, because that's the only thing you have. That hope is literally what you have to keep going to manifest something better for tomorrow. But, like I said, what are you saying about yourself? What are you saying to yourself? What are you saying to yourself? Because those words that you're saying to yourself is manifesting something. I promise you it's manifesting something, because the words is energy. They called it spelling in the English literature for a reason. What is a spell? When you cast a spell on somebody, that means they're under certain conditions without even realizing it. They're not even conscious of how they got into the situation, of how they got into the spell. That's kind of like how it is when you go through life saying a whole bunch of negative things about yourself and you don't feel like a winner and you're not claiming something good over yourself. You're literally putting yourself under a spell of defeat. You're literally putting yourself under a spell of defeat. Do you want to be under a spell of defeat? Of course not. Of course not. If you're going to be under any type of spell, it better be under a spell of prosperity, a spell of abundance. If it's going to be something, it might as well be something good. What's going to be the difference? You're going to say words anyway, right? I mean, this doesn't go for you only. This goes for the people around you. What are you saying to the people around you? Do you believe in the people around you? Are you speaking goodness over the people around you? Because if you want somebody to change, if you want somebody to become a better person, you got to speak over them what you want from them, not what they're doing that you don't like. And if you see somebody who's getting better and they're improving, and they're doing better today than they were in their past, don't bring up their past. Don't remind them of their past. Bring up those words of the past and bring it into the present. Because now you're remanifesting all of those past ways. Instead, claim how you want this person to be. Oh, this guy he's a very nice man. He's very gentle. He's a very good guy, very polite. He treats people right. He loves on people. And that guy be sitting there like, damn, what the hell are they talking about? Well, damn, you know what? I kind of feel like I want to start loving on people now. I kind of feel like I want to start treating people right because somebody has said something good about me. Wow, that's a difference. I've always been called evil. You get what I'm trying to say? So whatever you're claiming over yourself, that's the most important. But also realize that what you're saying in general about other people is manifesting things. You're constantly manifesting things with your thought, with your words, and with your action. What is it going towards? What is it going to? Are you choosing the positive energy that yields for growth and prosperity and success? Or are you choosing to claim some negative things that leads to shrinking, not growing, and not becoming successful? It's a choice. It's a choice. They're both tools. Your words is weapons. Your thoughts are weapons. But how do you want to use it? How do you want to use it? Drop your comments below. I want to know if you've been manifesting greatness from your words. What are your experiences with this? Do you find that when you think negative thoughts and say negative things to yourself, do you find that you feel better or worse? Let me know your experiences, because I think if you share in the comments how saying something better, claiming greatness over yourself has helped you, I believe that's going to help a lot of other people. They're going to be able to see your channel as well. They're going to be able to see the value that you drop under this video as well. So please share with us if you have any experiences with claiming something, like you said something and it literally manifested or happened right after that. Has that ever happened to you? Or you said something and a commercial came on about that thing you said? That happens to me all the time. Like, I'll talk about something, then randomly I'll hear a conversation or see a commercial or something about that same exact thing I just brought up. So that's how I know how powerful the words are. Your words cast spells. That's why it's called spelling. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification below. And if you've seen up there, check out my Your Life Coach playlist. It's Your Life Coach playlist. You can see all these types of videos where I'm just giving you gems and pointers on how to live more prosperity, how to have more success. We understand there's going to be bad days, there's going to be good days. But you got to keep it indifferent. You got to stay indifferent. And no matter if it's a good day or a bad day, you still got to claim greatness over yourself. Without any further ado, this is your boy Jonathan Belcher. Make sure to subscribe. Check all the links in the description below. If you need anything, I'm here to help. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.